Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY and the COWSAR. Both of these machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly and efficiently, making them perfect for home use, parties, or even camping trips. In this video, we will explore their features, such as daily ice production, cycle times, and unique functionalities. Let's find out which ice maker is the right fit for you. When it comes to price, the AGLUCKY ice maker is priced at $99.99, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the COWSAR ice maker, which retails for $109.99. This slight difference in price could be a deciding factor for those looking to save a bit while still getting a quality ice maker. Both ice makers boast impressive daily ice production capabilities, with the AGLUCKY producing 26 pounds of ice per day, while the COWSAR slightly edges ahead with a capacity of 26.5 pounds. This small difference may not be significant for most users, but it highlights the competitive nature of these two models. Portability is another key factor to consider. The AGLUCKY ice maker weighs around 16 pounds and does not have a built-in handle, making it less portable. In contrast, the COWSAR ice maker is lighter at 11.75 pounds and features a convenient handle, making it easier to transport for outdoor events or gatherings. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and COWSAR ice makers offer excellent features for those in need of a reliable ice production solution. The AGLUCKY provides a lower price point and dual ice sizes, while the COWSAR excels in portability and energy efficiency. Depending on your specific needs, either of these machines could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like